Yo, I am mad hungry, bro. I can eat anything. Man, let's see what's in here in this fridge right quick. Dang, ain't even nothing really in here for real. Oh. Nah, man, I know there's something in that fridge. Let me look again. Nah, nothing really in here. Oh well. I mean, I guess I could look for something else. Nah, bro, I'm checking this fridge again. There's gotta be something in here, bro. Maybe I'm not looking. Yeah, this isn't working. Okay, at this point, I'm just being idiotic, man. Let me stop checking and check something. Let me check one more time. Just one more time. Nope. Again. Again. Nope. Again. Nope. Again. Nope. Again. Nope. Alright, dude. This ain't going nowhere. I'm done. Nah. I'm back at it. I'm checking this one more time.
Open this fridge one more time. I dare you. You see, there's a door for a reason. We in here chilling. We're in here cooling. And you opening and closing that door constantly is ruining that. So open this door one more time, and you'll be in here with us. And that's on Bread.
Hey, Milk, you better keep my name out your mouth before I turn you to cheese real quick,
Bread,
son.
you better shut up before I throw water on you and make you all salty.
Oh, what's
you
up?
wouldn't
We
like
can
that
do
now,
that.
would
You can try if you want to. I'm with it.
I mean, what's
let's
up?
go.
We
You can
fight.
try.
We
You guys
do
say
You
you're
gon'
so
fail, but
hard.
you
We
can
can run it
try.
right now.
You can most
Let's
definitely
go.
try that.
You don't know who
I'm
you
at
messing
you,
with.
Milk.
I'm
Let's
Milk.
get
I'm a
it. These
staple in the
pinky runners
game.
out
Y'all
run this,
nothing
bro.
without
I'm
me.
the
I run
staple
this
of the
fridge.
full
Who's
community,
y'all
alright?
talking to?
This
Who's
ain't
y'all
nothing.
talking